Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Obsessive Chicks. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade vanilla extract. It is so easy to make, simple to do, and it only requires 2 ingredients. All you need is some vodka and some vanilla beans. Now, when I make my vanilla extract, I've been doing this for years. And I stopped buying vanilla extract because I didn't like all the ingredients that were in vanilla extract. And it really is simple to do. But I purchase good quality vodka. Now, there are some recipes out there for lower end vodkas, and you can use whatever you want. I'm just a firm believer, if I'm not going to drink this in a mixed drink or straight up, I'm not going to put it in my extract. So I like nicer quality vodkas for my vanilla extract. Now on the beans, I purchased these on Amazon. They come 10 to a pack, $36, and the price will fluctuate because it's kind of like on the market kind of thing. But $36 for 10 beans. Yes, it is pricey. I buy the grade B Madagascar beans, but they are so worth spending the money on to have a good vanilla extract. When you purchase it from Amazon, they come in a little sealed bag like this. And the company that I purchase from, I like the bean quality. They're not dried out. There are some other qualities out there, companies that have dried out beans, and they're not quite the quality. Make sure not to buy the split bean, buy the whole bean. But I'll leave a link below on what I purchased, the company that I purchased from. So buy some good beans. You can also purchase Tahitian and make Tahitian vanilla extract. I just prefer the taste of Madagascar beans. Now, over the holidays, I happened to run out of vanilla extract, which spurred this video. I went and purchased Watkins. It's $9 for a bottle, 8 ounces. I swore years ago I would never purchase store-bought vanilla extract, but I did. I was out of it and I needed it. But the flavors are just not the same when you make your own vanilla extract. And also, you think you're buying vanilla extract. It's baking vanilla with pure vanilla extract. There's sugars, water, food coloring. You're not getting straight up vanilla extract. So it is worth spending the money. Now I've got a 1/5 of vodka here. I'm not going to use all this. I'm going to use half of it to make limoncello. I'll show you how I make that in another video. Hence my lemons back here I went and picked. Love Arizona this time of year. And so we're going to go ahead and mix up, split these beans, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so we're going to get our vodka. We're going to fill up So now with our vanilla beans, what we're going to do is I'm going to leave half of them whole. I don't want to split 5 of them because what I'm going to do and what I do is I will pull one out of the jar, and once it's soaked, you can squeeze all that yummy vanilla bean out to use for ice cream and in your baking. So I want to go ahead and leave probably 5 of them whole. Now, let's see, I'm going to cut my little ends off here, just at the top. I'm going to put those in there because that does not hurt. And I want all of this to be saturated in the vodka. So I leave 5 of them whole, and what I'm going to do with the rest is I'm going to take my knife, the back end of it, and I'm going to flatten out my vanilla bean. And then that way I can go ahead and split it down. So now I can expose the vanilla. Cut that one off. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in and that piece in there. So I'm going to continue to do this with all my vanilla beans. And in the past, over the years, I have gone ahead and put more vodka in the jar and then put extra beans in instead of having to purchase so many of them. And then I just kind of like a sourdough starter, and I've had great success with just adding beans to it. So still splitting the bean, cut that end off, and put it in. And you want a container that is large enough, tall enough that you can have your beans completely submerged. And what you want to do also is store this in a cool, dark place, a closet, and every once in a while go in and shake it. I'm going to go ahead and take some of these beans out because I like to have some of them, look at all that, so good, inside my jar, just to add some more flavor to it. And I'm not wasting any of this. And then I'll put this bean in. And like I said, over the years, I just add some extra beans, some more vodka to it. So I have now split beans and I have whole beans. And I'm not quite submerged yet, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more vodka. And I've got my 10 Madagascar beans in my vanilla extract. Well, that was simple, easy to make. Why I let mine run out, I don't know. You get caught up in life. Took 5 minutes, less than. I think it took longer to order the vanilla beans. Anyways, you've got your vanilla extract starting here, working. Put it in a dark closet, like I said. Shake it every once in a while. Now, you can use this after about a month. It's not going to be that full flavor you want. The longer you go, the better. So 6 months is preferable. Make it, give it as a gift. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please subscribe. If you want to be notified for future videos, hit the bell, and we hope you have a blessed day.